Wow. Typhon officially clears Typhon of any wrongdoing in death of local man at the hands of Typhon explosions. Best job I've ever had. Not that the competition is super fierce. Glad I was able to help, but I think I'll pass on the kisses. So many memories of Gabe I didn't get to make. Ducky's gift to me for finding his booze. It's, um, it's a unique expression of gratitude. Every time I listen to this record, it takes me right back to that moment with Gabe. Maybe I should put something on. I haven't beat Steph a single time. I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but it felt like I had to do something. Life in Haven would be a lot worse without these two weirdos. I feel like I kept the hat in here. Huh. There it is. Half person, half dump truck. Oh, hi there. Now what do you unlock? Yeah, I don't need to know what that was for. Another one of Gabe's hidden cans. Or Steph knows how to LARP on a budget. I hope Ethan likes it. Oh shit. The feather on the hat must have fallen off. Maybe I can find it. Gabe's last effects from the coroner. Pike dropped it off a few days ago. Guess I've been avoiding looking through it. Okay. You can take the kid out of juvie. Oh. One match left. I don't know why, but this must have been really special to Gabe. Never know when you'll need a light. I'm not giving up yet, Gabe. I better find that feather. Steph is a stickler for details. I found some really cute photos of Gabe and Ethan on this thing. I know this is Ethan's copy, but I'm level 73, and I'm not stopping. A housewarming gift from Eleanor. She said Gabe loved these little dudes. No sunglasses, though. We're one step closer now. Steph, I will murder you. Wish I'd taken Steph's advice. Ugh. Wow. Steph is a rock star for putting this together. Ethan is gonna flip. A dire rat joined your party. My weapon of choice. Leave it to me to wreck Gabe's bike on my first ride. At least Ryan had a good laugh about it. Yikes. This garden is looking gnarly. I wonder how many times Gabe got stoned up here and stared at these. Guessing I haven't played for anyone else in years. That was a good night. So far, Ryan is the only one that uses this. Maybe I should just gift it to him. Look, man, if you want to live here, you need to do your own dishes. Maybe I can clean you up a bit. Look, man, if you want to live here, you need to do your own dishes. One day, I'll stop being a freeloader. For now, I'm just grateful. Maybe that key will finally reveal your secret. This must have been Gabe's. That's a long list, and I bet he would have gotten through it. Wow, Gabe. Still finding ways to break my heart, huh? Alex the Bard, ready to serve. Time to head out. Hey.
I don't need, cheering up or whatever.
Okay. So, maybe this wasn't the most subtle idea, but... Gabe was so excited to LARP with you. I bet he'd really want you to do it.
I do want to do this. It's just... Everyone's been working so hard. And if I'm not happy, they'll all be disappointed.
Must be weird, having a bunch of adults pressuring you to dress up in a costume and act like you're having fun.
Yeah, especially my mom. She always looks so... sad. 'Cause I'm, bummed out. But I can't just pretend.
So, don't pretend. Just be yourself. Or yourself with a foam sword and a funny hat.
But what if I'm still, not having fun?
Then don't. That's fine too. No one will be disappointed in you for being you.
All right. But I don't want to do it alone. You have to help me.
Of course.
Thanor, the Monster Slayer! Thanks to the gods and all the heavens you've come. I am in desperate need of a great hero. Could you be the one? Please, tell me of your exploits.
There's a bunch of stuff. Maybe my bard can sing something about me.
Oh, sure. A kraken ate a city every year until it died on Thanor's spear.
My goodness. So, you must be Thanor's bard, Alwyn, whose songs have magical powers. It sounds like you are exactly the heroes I need. My name is King Tabor. The age of monsters has come upon my kingdom. Horrible creatures stalk the streets. My people live in constant fear. But there's hope. An ancient prophecy describes 3 mysterious gems, known as soul jewels, that can save us all. I need you to go search the kingdom, survive whatever's out there, and bring me back those jewels. Do you understand?
Yeah. Yes.
Good. Then you must go, now. My people are counting on you.
Should we start with the main road?
Okay.
Time to find some jewels.
So you're seriously Alwyn?
Don't you recognize me?
Oh. Yeah. Of course.
It's been a long time since Carnaris.
Exactly.
Those were good times, huh? Except for the spiders.
Yeah.
Looking cool.
Is that a scroll of paper?
What is that?
It's a magic scroll we can use in fights.
Oh. Awesome. We should find as many as we can.
Okay. It's a wolf.
A direwolf.
Shit, what do we do?
I think we have to fight it.
Untuned cord. 1 damage.
Burning blade. 1 damage. And you're on fire for the next 2 turns.
2 damage. I'm still on fire.
Stirring him. Double Thanor's next attack.
Oh, 4 damage. Loot. Oh, cool. I learned a magic attack.
1 damage to allies? Better be nice to Thanor.
Let's keep going. What do you think this key is for?
Maybe it unlocks something in one of these stores. I should probably drop in on Riley and thank her in person.
I swung over the top once.
No way. Prove it. I'll give you $1 if you can.
I did! I don't have to prove it. I'm gonna tell my mom you called me a liar.
Do it, dude. I dare you.
Gabe, you would have really had fun with all this.
This is actually really fun.
I know, right? Sorry, Ryan. It was self-defense. How do we know for sure it's dead? Should we tickle it?
Stop it. Be serious.
Let's go to the peach. Oh, I bet we can use that.
Found a scroll?
Yeah. I don't know.
Aren't I supposed to be the one teaching you how to throw? Hey, what's up?
Looks like the Black Lantern is part of the LARP. Whoa. What's that about?
I just haven't slept. You know? Every time I close my eyes, my brain pulls up all these thoughts, these regrets. So I just lie there, crying, feeling like a horrible person.
You mentioned regrets. Can you drill down on that? What is it that you regret?
I don't know. I'm not sure of anything right now.
All that guilt. And she still can't find her way toward doing the right thing. Wanna look in here?
Yeah. Let's go in. What happened here?
Fellow survivors, I see.
Are you the bartender here?
Nope. Monster ate all of the staff. We'll have to serve ourselves.
Do you know what this key is for?
Belonged to Barry, the tavern keeper. That's his leg over there.
Oh.
So, if you want to try all of the locks, I'm sure he won't stop you.
Let's see what we can find around here. It's so sweet of Ducky to participate in this. Steph really went all out in here. Someone knows how to keep Thanor busy. Any luck opening the chest?
Yeah, but it's empty so far.
Ugh, rough day for Barry the Tavern Keeper. This kingdom has serious problems. House barred. Sorry, Steph. Alwyn is pretty happy with her current gig. Oh, hey, a coin. I want to focus on Ethan right now. What happened to the rest of the music? What happened to the rest of the music?
The 13th quinquennial meeting of the Daegu Biscuit Boys is hereby called to order. I'm sorry to announce that all 6 of us remain upright and above ground.
First point of order. Ducky, if you had to guess, though, about how much longer you fixing to live?
Just long enough to collect, Gordon, and not a minute longer. I'll crawl graveward with your shares clutched in my stiffening fingers. You mark my words.
Ducky is in a tontine.
That better be washable. The amount of detail in this LARP is insane. Steph thought of everything. She's amazing at this. Guess Lawrence is gonna need a new business advisor. So gorgeous. Where? Feanor, did you see this?
That's got to be it. It's one of the jewels. One down, 2 to go.
That wasn't so bad, right? Now I feel more confident we can find the others. I actually feel bad for that person.
If there was a...
Yes?
How did you survive the attack?
Well, I'm not proud of it, but I tripped an elderly woman. She had it coming. Stingy dish wench.
Want to tell them about our quest?
We're on a quest to end the Age of Monsters. So you won't have to live in fear anymore.
Are you now? Let me give you something that you may find useful.
Thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and guess we'll be meeting a snake. We're gonna keep looking around.
Good luck. I'm a genius for convincing Steph that my character should be alone behind the bar. All the drinks I want.
Not sure how I feel about that.
Yes?
I see you've poured yourself some ale. You just survived a monster attack. I think you deserve a couple drinks on the house.
Truly wise beyond your years.
We're gonna keep looking around.
Good luck.
We're gonna have to deal with this, aren't we? Did you see this warning?
Yeah, that's a bad situation. Bye.
Godspeed. Godspeed.
Check out what I found in that chest.
Nice work, Thanor.
There was some really interesting stuff in there.
Sorry. Hey, kid.
I'll be taking that. Got another scroll.
Cool.
Go get him, Ethan.
I'm Thanor.
Could there be something down the alley?
This is boring.
Why is my dead lover Shh, they're here. Woe is me. Woe is me.
Behold, my love has been slain by yonder river monster.
Where?
Just down yonder alley, near the river. Alas, alas.
Beware of river monster. Some kind of snake?
I guess.
Do we have to fight it?
Why wouldn't we?
We could save our energy for something scarier. Save our scrolls, too.
True. It's gonna attack. What do you want to do?
Ophidian chime. Snakes within hearing must fall asleep.
Pretend that's a low sound. Snake's ears are internal, so they can't hear.
Nice.
This is.
More loot.
All right, let's make some ears bleed.
Wait. What's that? It's like a dragon scale or something.
Maybe it's got magical powers. Let's hang on to it.
Yeah! That was so smart of you to use the bell.
It worked out, didn't it?
We're like master scroll seekers.
Yep.
Okay, we handled the river.
come on. Monster abundances are when you need a
Aw,
Disappointed?
I thought I would finally get to go in.
I bet there's something fun in the record store.
No one appreciates. Oh, there! I hear you've dealt with the river serpent, huh? More than just talk, are you? Perhaps the mag. Bah! What a thankless life. Being a smith in the age of monsters.
Whoa, he's really into this. It's really sweet how many people Steph's roped into this. Everything okay? You seem pretty, grumpy.
I've forgotten the damn components of sun silver. Don't suppose you know the composition?
If we find out, we'll tell you.
I won't hold my breath.
Please knock twice.
Go for it.
Monster or mortal?
Mortal.
Come in. Sorry about the lock. These are dangerous times. Welcome to the Magpie Emporium.
Oh, so this is like a magic shop.
I'm gonna take a look around a bit, okay?
Okay.
Let's see what Steph's done to the place. As a classically trained bard, I gotta say, this music's not bad.
He's forging the Sky Sword of Power.
Oh yeah?
One day, Thanor's gonna find it.
That actually looks legit. Golems. Animation fee not included. Oh, Steph. Wonder if they have drills for this. Spells. Very cute, Steph.
Are these spells for sale? To members of the Sorcery Guild only. Sorry.
Seeking insight? Draw a card. Huh. What do I want insight about? Holy shit. Too real. I mean, I hope that's true. Steph is just awesome. Is that true for Ryan? I hope so. Chaos and destruction. Yeah. No shit. Yikes. Warning. Cat is cursed. Do not pet. Yeah, no need to warn me. I guess some heroes are into bards with flashy guitars, but I'm glad Thanor has better taste. It's a wonder Valkyrie's ever hungry. What with all the human flesh I assume she consumes.
Dude, I hear you, but a combat-based system with no social mechanics is like my fucking nightmare. Are you... Hey, Precious. Where did you come from? Are you the one I've been hearing in the walls? Smartass, there's a cat outside the shop. Dude, I don't know. She doesn't have a collar. Yeah? I'll call Pike, see if anybody's reported their cat missing. Meantime, guess she's coming to work with me, isn't she? Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Oh, hey, Sunsilver. We should tell that blacksmith. I'd like to try one of those bard instruments, please.
You'll need to schedule a private appointment.
I'll do that. That's not ominous at all.
When Alex said I'm hot, did she mean it? Or was she just messing around?
Never seen Steph feel this way before. Maybe I could reassure her. She's always so confident. I bet we're supposed to buy something here.
The Soul Sapphire's right there. For sale.
10,000 gold? Okay. Obviously, there's some other way to get this. Why is this 10,000 gold?
Was I too generous? It was originally 20,000, but...
No, I meant... Never mind.
Maybe we can make some kind of deal with her.
Very friendly troll. Now that I'd like to see. Would you consider giving us that sapphire? In exchange for something far more valuable. My hand. In marriage. And all of its associated benefits. And you should know, I wouldn't offer if I didn't mean it.
I mean...
Oh man, this just got real.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't intrigued. But I'm afraid I can't accept. For now.
We need the sapphire right away. It's for a quest to end the Age of Monsters.
I've heard there's a magical fish that lives in the River of Sorrows. Bring me back one of its scales, and I'll give you the sapphire in return.
One magic fish scale.
Impressive. Well, then here's my end of the bargain.
Only one more jewel left.
Getting there.
Where to next?
Hey, we found the components of Sun Silver.
It's iron, goblin ore, and fire powder.
Praise the gods. Of course. How could I forget? Why don't you take that scroll for your kindness? I've no need of it.
I saw that. Like, right before you picked it up.
Okay, you can have the credit.
No, I don't care. I'm just saying.
Too late. Credit.
1, 2, 3. I control me. 1, 2, 3. I control me. This book is written for fucking toddlers.
Ooh, nothing like getting... I wonder how Riley's doing with the USB.
That run felt amazing. I'm so proud of myself.
Wow, good for her. Mind if I duck in here a second? I have to, renew my Bard Guild membership.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey there.
I could ask Riley how progress is going with the USB. I've got a job now. I could actually donate something. Did Riley put this up? The last thing Eleanor wanted was everyone fussing over her. So Eleanor's donating all those decorations? I want to feel happy for Riley, but I just... ugh.
Nana's such a good person. She doesn't deserve any of this.
And neither does Riley. There's a whole tech side to Riley I never knew about. Gabe did. Any luck with the USB?
No, not yet. It's gonna take hours, if we're lucky.
Oh.
If you want to check it out, it's running on the office computer, but don't touch anything.
Okay. Thank you so much for doing this.
You don't have to thank me. It's the least I could do for Gabe. And honestly, it's a nice distraction for me right now.
Is something going on with Eleanor?
I found out Nana has been sick. She has Alzheimer's.
Oh, wow.
Anyway, let's talk about something else.
Are you still going to school?
Oh, no. I turned them down. Nana told me not to, but she's going to need help.
That must have been a hard decision.
No, I knew what I had to do. What's hard is dealing with the disappointment.
How's Mac doing? I haven't seen him in a while.
Oh, he's around. He's been a lifesaver.
Mac has?
Yeah, he really stepped it up for me and Nana. I'm actually glad we're still together.
That's good. Let's talk later.
I'll let you know if I make any progress.
Thanks again. For Spring Festival. These are freaking gorgeous. Eleanor must hate that she needs this. Riley's like 300 pages in. Must be a good book. I will definitely not touch this. I wonder what we'll find at the Bridge of Flowers. I wonder what we'll find at the Bridge of Flowers.